Hi guys, I have 2014 GMC truck. It came with the fans all the way to the high speeds. Probably you can hear it. And also the gauge, temperature gauge is on the bottom. Keys are forward. Starting the vehicle. Let's check the temperature. It's on the lower settings. And I have the fan all the way up, high speeds. I have the check engine light. I'm gonna read the check engine light and see what codes we have. All right, this is the engine code we have. Engine coolant temperature below thermostat regulating temperature, p0128. I'm suspecting the thermostat, but I'm gonna do a little bit more of investigation on the vehicle. I'm gonna do first of all, I'm gonna go visual inspection, then we'll go from there. All right, to get to the bottom over here and make a visual inspection, I would like to remove this box over here. It has two hoses here on the side. You just press down on it and then pull. This one over here also press down from the bottom and pull. Now we're gonna remove this one here, this bolt right here. Two number 8mm bolts. Just gonna lose those clamps so we can remove the whole box. So like I mentioned before, the coolant temperature sensor switch is new. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna just replace this thermostat. I'm gonna take this house in this hose clamp. I'm gonna remove it. This other hose clamp. We're just gonna wiggle a little bit carefully, not to break it. And we're gonna remove three look like 10mm bolts, and then we're just gonna replace it for a new one. So we're gonna do for this engine code is that's the most common situation for this code, and the other one is your coolant switch. So now we have removed our hoses. We're gonna remove three 10mm bolts. I am draining a little bit of the coolant on the bottom side. Your drain plug is on your left side, right on the lower radiator hose outlet. So there we go, we got it out. Now we're gonna replace it with a new one. Right, this thermostat replacement is really easy. Like I said before, 3 bolts. Put back your hoses, 2 hoses, the big one and the small one, the clamps as well, 3 bolts. I cleaned that plug again just to make sure that nothing was inside the coolant temperature sensor. Now I'm gonna just add coolant, the one that I catched when I drain it. I'm gonna put it back. I'm gonna put the the throttle body air inlet housing to start the vehicle and make sure there's no air on the system. But that's all for your thermostat. Really easy.